Welcome to the City of Longmont's OpenPV data site. This link can be found on the City of Longmont's webpage by searching for priority-based budgeting. I'm going to walk you through how to use this site, but first wanted to give you a brief overview of what this is telling you. Priority-based budgeting identifies programs that tie our line item budgets to the mission of the city, which are referred to as our results. The result areas reflect the business and strategic plans of our organization and our best practices for prioritizing programs. We identify community results against which external-facing programs are scored and governance results against which internal-facing programs are scored. I want to walk you through how to use this site, and by clicking on this eye in the picture, you will get a pop-up that explains each piece of the site and what it does. But I am also going to provide you with my instructions. So welcome to PBB Open Data. This site summarizes our work in priority-based budgeting, known as PBB. PBB is a recognized best practice and budgeting tool that provides improved transparency over traditional forms of line item budgeting. In PBB, the cost of our services are defined at the program level. Additionally, our programs are evaluated against our priorities. We have program costs, and this process starts with our line item budget. Then through a process of time and cost allocation, we determine how much it costs to provide the program shown. And we have program priorities. Every program is evaluated against all of our priorities. Through a peer-reviewed scoring process, the programs are assigned a score in each priority from 0 to 4. The plot below provides a top-down view of how much our program costs and what priorities they serve. Across the top here are our priorities. These are identified by our community. And this is our priority highlight. Each priority you select will update the tree plot below to that priority, as well as give you the definition for each priority. Here's the priority definitions. We identified a set of definitions for each priority, and these definitions serve as our scoring criteria when evaluating the extent at which the program supports a given priority. And this is showing you our tree plot. The plot depicts a top-down view of costs and priorities of all the programs our organization provides. So I have selected the housing services, amenities, and opportunities for all results. And underneath that is the definition of this result and then the tree plot shown below, which is the outcome of this result. By selecting a box, which is one of our services, you can find out more detail on that service in relation to that result. The boxes represent each service or program by each department within the city. The box size represents the cost of the program. The larger the box, the greater the cost. The box shade indicates the extent the program serves the priority. The darker the box, the higher the priority. If I select Community Services, it will show me all of the programs within Community Services. I can further click into a specific division within Community Services to see their programs, such as Recreation. By clicking further into that program, I can find out what the description of that program is, how much is budgeted for personnel and non-personnel costs, and what positions support this program. So here you see the definition of the program, the total cost, total personnel applied, how that cost is broken out between personnel, non-personnel, and then more specific description of the personnel, so it will list out positions, and the non-personnel, which gives you a breakout of operating costs. You can also view this in a table format. Which looks like this, and then this is downloadable. So thank you for searching our OpenPV data site.